Okay, here we have the Maverick ION MT, also known outside of the UK as the Himoto Mastodon Iron Truck. Himoto is a brand that many wouldn't have heard of before. They specialise in making budget cars ready for rebranding. Looking at their catalogue, you'll find the Maverick range, Red Cat, FTX and other budget makers. Unlike most of the Himoto range, it doesn't have a brushless motor. The Mavericks have brush motors, and they also don't have waterproof electronics. But that doesn't concern me, as this is a backyard basher. And when the weather's nasty and wet, I should be indoors. Let's get this out. Tear it easy. Okay. There we have the little Maverick. Nice large wheels. I've looked at a lot of budget ready to race trucks before deciding on this one. It costs $79.99 and I purchased it from ModelsportsUK. Delivered to me the next day in less than 24 hours, which was most impressive. Now let's see what we've got. Got the instructional booklet. Here we've got the controller. The charger, adapter. I'm assuming the battery is already inside the truck, but I already purchased a separate one already. It's 4-wheel drive, 1/118th and ready to run. Oil-filled shocks, which supposedly make for a good, durable suspension, which I'll be testing later. Four-wheel drive shaft drivetrain with ball bearings. Resilient suspension parts, oil-filled shocks and a suite of electronics that include the 2.4 GHz radio system and a powerful 370 motor and 800 milliamp NIMH battery. Okay, all that's needed is the AAA batteries for the controller. Right, here's the Maverick ION MT. Let's have a look at the internals inside. Just remove the clips. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Battery's already inside. It's got attractive 5-spoke wheels. And you've seen the factory pre-cut body. That's the 370 motor server. All we need to do now is just charge the battery up.